Hi, this is Mr. Hendrickson, and this is your Conceptual Physics Bus Pre-Lab. Before beginning your lab, please take a look at the pre-lab questions on the top half of the first page. Be sure to answer all of these questions before doing anything else. In addition to answering these questions, make sure you've generated a list of materials you're going to need to complete the lab. In other words, if the point of this lab is to measure speed, what sort of measurements are you going to need to take? And in taking those measurements, what sort of tools will help you do it? We'll be heading down to Crescent Boulevard to determine the speed of various cars passing by. Be aware that these cars are a safety hazard. At no point should you step off the sidewalk into the street. You'll be measuring some distances that the cars travel. You should know that you'll need to measure at least 10 meters to ensure you get solid results. In addition, you're going to be measuring a time component. It might be helpful to understand how hours and seconds are related, and kilometers and meters are related to perform some conversions. You might want to write these down for later. In addition to bringing out your measuring tools, some other items that might be helpful would be a calculator, something to write with, something hard to write on, and a straight edge to create your data tables. When you go to make your table outside, please make sure you list the variables that you're measuring across the top and the number of trials along the left-hand side. Please also make sure that you use a straight edge to create the data table. If you're not sure how many trials you're going to be doing, do yourself a favor and read the lab. And once you've done all of the above, it's time to lab it up.